Right, we're at West End Fish and Chips. Well, we're actually a park around the corner. We've got salt and chili, chicken, loaded, fries. So let's give this a looking at. Okay, well, there's certainly plenty going on in there. Well, the chicken's got nice pieces, not that skinny, dried up stuff. So that's nice. Mm. It's got plenty of flavour. The spring onions, peppers, plenty of cheese. Really tasty. Yeah, that's nice. Cardboard packaging, which is always good. And there's plenty of it. It's got some weight to it. The staff were pleasant, polite, friendly. You know, they were lively, actually. So what have we got in here? Well, I'm going to save that. We've got tartar sauce, which they make in-house. We've got enough chips. This is a regular size fish, by the way. Fish is nice. Haddock. Let's try these chips. Good shapes of some of these. I like that. Nice flavour. Let's have a go at their tartar sauce. Now that's nice. I like that. Try a bit of this fish in there. And that batter is really nice. Right, so what have we got in here? This is a John Bull. For those who haven't heard of a John Bull before, it's a savoury mince sandwiched between two slices of potato, or dab, if you like, and battered. So let's give it a little go. We're in Oswald. We're in Oswald. We're in Oswaldtwistle, and I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. And look at that. And there's a few places up in this part of the world, part of the UK anyway, that does John Bull. Not many, but they all have their own little slant on it. So let's give that a go. The idea is the savoury mince is always kept a secret to each chippy that does it, which is, like I say, very few. That cheese sets that off too. That's delicious. If you get the chance to try a John Bull, or even drive a little ways to try a John Bull, I recommend you do it. It'd be nice actually with a bit of gravy on it, on top of the chips. But it's nice when it's at home. Okay, so it's back to the computer, but I'll look at a low scoring review somewhere in between, a high scoring one, and I'll write my own. See you there. Let's get straight into some reviews. 1 star. What's all this about you putting prices up? Just Eat at £3 for chips and £7 for fish. You are bloody greedy and don't care about your customers. I found the price is very reasonable. Response from the owner. Hi, we care deeply about our customers and giving them the best quality food. To use a platform like Just Eat, we are charged a high commission rate. To withstand this, unfortunately, our prices are dearer, but also bring the luxury of fish and chips to your door and save you the time to collect. However, if you feel we're too expensive on Just Eat, you can order via our own app or come in store where our prices aren't as expensive. This is it. A lot of people don't realise that. Prices are dearer more often than not with these delivery services, but they've said they've explained the situation and call into the shop or use their app. And now I don't know what that's all about. but that's worth investigating if you want to keep your costs down, because that's what they're suggesting there. 3-star, not only good, but today gutted, small portions, smallish fish, well overcooked, more burnt batter, hardly any fish, and binned. 5-star, ordered fish and chips today. Fish was a nice size, well cooked, and a nice crispy batter. The chips were lovely. Love that it comes in a nice box too. Sides of gravy and curry were nice. I use this chippy regularly, but I've never done a review for it, so here it is. Mine, 5-star. Hearing positive reviews about West End fish and chips, I decided to stop by at lunchtime. Parking was available on the street, and upon entering, I found the shop to be clean, well organised, and visually appealing. The staff were friendly, polite, and cheerful, which made for a welcoming atmosphere. I ordered fish and chips, which came in a generous portion. The haddock was beautifully coated in a light, crispy batter, and the chips were perfectly cooked and abundant. Salt and chili chicken loaded fries were another standout. It was a substantial portion, packed with fresh vegetables, tender, flavoured chicken, and a lovely layer cheese. The sauce added an extra level of taste that tied everything together. The highlight of the visit, however, was the John Bull with cheese. If you haven't tried a John Bull, it's definitely worth a stop. Featuring savoury mince and potato slices, enhanced by the addition of the cheese, which brought even more richness to the flavour. I also tried their tartar sauce, which was excellent and complemented the meal well. Hygiene rating 5, cash or card, fish reviewed, haddock. Call in and have yourself a nice meal. And don't forget, try that John Bull if you haven't had one already. See you on the next one. If you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.